Alright guys, now I'm going to talk about how to study your YouTube analytics and optimize your videos going forward in the future. So once you have a lot of videos uploaded, you can start studying the analytics to those videos and seeing why they're getting views, seeing how long people are watching the videos, and whatnot. So the most important YouTube analytic there is watch time, and that's why YouTube puts it at the top right here. See, I'm in one of my example channels that I run. As you can see, this video in the last month, this is the last 28 days, it's gotten 377,000 views, and it's made me $660. And this video is only 10 minutes long, and I think I have like 2 or 3 ads in this particular video. But as you can see, even more important than views are watch time, and that's why YouTube puts it at the top right there. So you always want to see your watch time going up, and to study why you're getting the amount of watch time you are, you can actually go in down here to a little thing called audience retention. So if you click that, then you can see how long exactly people are watching your video. So as you can see, when the video starts, 100% of the people are watching, and then it drops off because people only watch a certain amount of the video. And you want to keep this as high as possible for the longest amount of time. And as you can see, I think the biggest mistake I did with this video is that I added a really long outro, and as you can see, it just drops off right there because no one wants to just sit there and watch an outro. I mean, I think I'd be a lot better if I put like a 5-minute outro right at the end of that. But as you can see, the average percentage viewed is 49%. And that's actually not that good compared to what this video was, because this video actually has more than 10 million views. But what you're looking for your average percentage viewed is over 70%, because anything over 70% is deemed very good in YouTube's eyes. So you want to keep your average percentage viewed on audience retention as high as possible. And you want to keep that average view duration as well as high as possible. As you can see, people on average watch 6 minutes and 56 seconds of the video. And then if you really want to get a good understanding of it, you can click this button right here, which says relative audience retention. So this basically calculates it for you. So at the beginning, obviously 100% of people are watching. So YouTube deems that as average. And then as you can see, it says above average for 1 minute and 16 seconds. Then it goes down back to average. So what you want to do is go to 2 minutes or 3 minutes into your video right here. See why it dropped down from above average to average. And then it goes back up to above average at about 8 minutes. So you want to analyze all your YouTube videos and see why it's going down, why it's going up, and how you can improve future videos to get people to want to watch as long as possible all the way through. So then as you can see, towards the end, it drops down to low, which again is because that outro that I ended, that really long outro, drops down to low. But as you can see, below average. And since this video has such good audience retention, I attribute most of the fact that it got 10 million views due to its audience retention, which therefore equates in watch time. But there's another factor that's really important in getting YouTube views, and we're going to talk about that in the next lesson.